We are going to use Deepnote for this course. Deepnote allows to create Jupyter notebooks with Octave support, and you can use Deepnote to discover the numerical methods of the course. Just click here, Deepnote, we'll get a link. This link gives you access to the Deepnote notebook. So let me go back here at the very beginning. In order to run the notebooks, you need to start the environment. By default, this green button will be gray. If I click on the wheel, you will see that the machine has already started. Let me stop it. This machine, you will need to start it. By default, it does not run. So you need to click on Start Machine, and after a few seconds you will see a green button here, which means that the machine has started. Let's go back to the notebook. So as you see here, I have the green button. It's ready to be executed. For each notebook, you will see this cell here. It tells us to go to this work directory where I have all the scripts necessary to execute the notebook. So I am in the Introduction to Octave notebook. You see here the other notebooks that we will use during the course. You see here the files that are in the work directory, and you see here the table of content of the current notebook. So you can click on any link here and you have access to the notebook. So let's go back to the beginning. And well, the first thing that you can try is run the notebook. However, you don't have the rights to actually run this notebook in my environment, but what you can do is actually duplicate the project by creating an account on Deepnote, duplicate the project in your environment, and then start the environment to run the notebook, and then you will be able to run this notebook. So you will need to duplicate the project to your own Deepnote account. So now I suppose that you have duplicated the project, you have started the machine, and you have the green button here, and now I can run the notebook. So it's currently running 24 cells. So you see each time a cell has been successfully run, you see the green button here. So for example, here this is a help command, is green, and then we execute some code, green again, and so on. So here it is to execute the notebook. You will see the introduction to Octave. In the practical session, you can of course learn about it yourself through the execution of the various cells and see how Octave works.